Leviton is the smart choice, providing the most comprehensive range of solutions to meet the needs of today's residential, commercial and industrial buildings. Leveraging more than a century of experience, Leviton helps customers create sustainable, intelligent environments through its electrical wiring devices, network and data center connectivity solutions, and lighting energy management systems. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Convenient. Automate interior, exterior lights and more. Number 2. Energy saving. Reduce energy consumption and extend bulb life. Number 3. Flexible. Program up to 49 on/off event settings per day. Number 4. Smart. Adjusts to local sunrise, sunset and daylight saving. Number 5. Versatile. Use in homes, offices, schools, hotel rooms, and other light commercial applications. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Works in 220 volts? Answer. No. Question number 2. Is it possible to have a light dimmed while on a timer function? Answer. The VPT24 does not support dimming, however, Leviton makes various models of Decora Digital and Decora Smart lighting controls that integrate timers and dimming solutions. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.